Hey everyone. बढ़िया भाई, कैसे हो? भाई आज रेज्यूमे रिव्यू करोगे क्या? हाँ भाई, एक क्वेश्चन फिर एक रिव्यू, स्टैंडर्ड। क्या हाल है गाइस? लेट्स गो। इट्स सो hot. ब्राजील वर्सेस जापान कब आ रहा है? देखो यार, मेरा तो कब है। जर्मनी ये देखूंगा यार एक को, उसके अलावा तो नहीं। Let's try this one. We'll try to solve this question, then we'll do one resume review. How about that? स्टार्ट। आज थोड़ा और कंस्ट्रेंट टाइप करके देखता हूँ। लेट्स सी इफ आई कैन डू दिस इन 5. ओके, मीनवाइल पीपल कैन जॉइन। Given an integer array where elements are ascending order, height, weight, balance. Height balanced means you need to have one left and one right. The array has ascending order already, so you can just go height balanced from right. Do you need to have right and left? No, right. If you can just split the array, or if you can just split, what does height balance mean? Difference of in which the depth of two subtree of every node never differs by more than one. More than one is fine, ठीक है। ओके, इवन होगा तो वी कैन स्प्लिट इन हाफ, सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक मर्ज सॉर्ट, एंड ओड होगा तो ऑब्वियसली जस्ट टेक द मिड एंड देन स्प्लिट, राइट। 5 minutes. लेट्स सी इफ आई कैन कोड। आई नीड टू गेट I'm not checking the constraint. I hope it is right. What the hell am I even giving? Yes. Oh crap. Not zero, bhai, start. Come on, come on, come on. भाई 3 सेकंड पहले नाइस. WS Cube Tech से फुल स्टैक वेब डेव कोर्स कर रहा हूँ गाइड. और WS Cube क्या है, एक मिनट. WS Cube Tech. I don't know what this is by, so no clue. Can be good, can be bad. तो resume review करना है ना. Let's open up this. Okay, one resume that comes on Resume Roast channel, we'll review that. One resume that comes on Resume Roast, we'll review that. After this guy, क्या नाम है यार? Sheikh Mohammed SDSRM AP. After that, whatever comes, we'll do. I'll open it here. क्या बात है मोहम्मद भाई, आज आपने खुद ही भेज दिया. नाइस. Okay, this is your resume. Real-time governance society AP government secretary. What's that? Full stack developer intern. good impact, good. An intern is intern though. 2 महीने की you have done on site. Implemented secure authentication access control. Like the first one is good, but ठीक है मतलब intern is intern. You have written it nicely. I can't change what the job was. Then you have written agentic coder terminal AI. So you have used TypeScript 1 React. Okay. Okay, straight. This is nice. Basically, I've built like cloud code something. This is nice. This is innovative. People would love it. Good project. Cloud-based code execution platform. This is also unique. I mean, you have created like a ID. Not so unique अब I think मेरे time में था. But anyways, like not a simple Marn app. This is okay. Languages, framework, front end, back end. भाई सही है मतलब nothing much to say. अब बस तुम upskill कर सकते हो, learn more technologies, make better projects या फिर get internship. तो you can just upskill यहाँ पर. उसके अलावा I don't think resume is bad, is in bad state या कुछ. This is good भाई. Okay, what's the next problem? 3461. No office. Yeah, I had office by. Crazy. You're given a string S consisting of digits. Perform the following operation repeatedly until the string has exactly 2 digits. Okay. Oh, timer. Start. Given a string S consisting of digits, perform the following operation until you have exactly 2 digits. For each pair of consecutive digits in S, starting from the first digit, calculate a new digit as the sum of the 2 digits modulo 10. Okay, replace S with a sequence of newly calculated digits, man. Maintaining the order in which they were computed. So basically 3 plus 9 is 2, then S1 is 2. S2 and S3. Oh, you have to do the operation at once, okay. Now what can be the size? 100. So 100 operations, it can go at most 100 times. So I think it should be good. तो string है, story बहुत बार यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. Next string time का भूल गया था. So let's see. I'll check the question after this. भाई 5 मिनट में करने का सोच रहा हूँ. So let's see if I can do it or not. Very bad operations. I'm converting it a lot. I don't know. अरे यार or should I learn CPP or Java? I want to start my DSA. Go with any bhai. Java is better if you want to like. A lot of companies ask Java, so if you do in Java, you will be practicing that as well. So better that way. भाई हाउ टू लर्न सागा पैटर्न एंड इम्प्लीमेंट इट भाई उसके लिए तो ट्यूटोरियल देख लो ना अब मैं अभी कैसे बताऊं यार I'm out to join CSC first year. Any advice? First year CSC. Start from the very beginning. मतलब ऐसे मत करना कि you'll wait 1 year, 2 year to get projects. Start learning late. Then it's just backlog. You just have to clear the backlog. DSA वगैरह starting से start करो. Create a disciplined like I don't know schedule. You'll solve let's say 2 question. You'll study 1 concept. जैसे JEE के टाइम होता था ना कि we don't care what our school teacher are teaching us या फिर बाकी लोग are teaching us. We just care about completing the syllabus quicker. Same ऐसे ही कॉलेज में भी करना. It's not chill and chill. जल्दी से अपना DSA वगैरह करना इवन दो योर टीचर्स आर नॉट टीचिंग इट चैट जीपीटी वगैरह को यूज़ कर लेना इट्स एक्चुअली नाइस अभी सीनियर्स की ज़रूरत नहीं है तुम्हें बट आस्क इट टू क्रिएट अ रोड मैप एंड ऑल एंड बिल्ड कनेक्शंस एंड एंजॉय और क्या suggest some full stack projects recruiter eye catching I mean subjective thing bhai but otherwise I mean whatever thing is popular right now जैसे क्लाउड कोड पॉपुलर है build that why not और क्या पॉपुलर है अभी पॉलीमार्केट और मतलब जो भी अभी आज के चीज़ें पॉपुलर है ट्राई टू बिल्ड दोस व्हाट्सअप गुड भाई तुम बताओ फर्स्ट ईयर में तो कैरेक्टर डेवलप होगी हार्ट ब्रेक सीजन गो ऑल इन उसके बाद ज़करबर्ग बाहर आएगा भाई हरदम नहीं होता ऐसा किसी ने भाई का हार्ट ब्रेक नहीं किया तो भाई फेल हो जाएगा वो ऐसा नहीं कहते करना भाई हार्ट ब्रेक का वेट मत करना हाँ आजकल हड्डियाँ ब्रेक होती हैं एनीवेज रेज्यूमे रिव्यू डिस्कॉर्ड पे डाल दो हाउ टू बिल्ड DSA कॉन्सेप्ट भाई जस्ट की प्रैक्टिसिंग नहीं अंधा प्रैक्टिस मत करो प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद देखो भी कि मतलब तुमसे जो सॉल्व हुआ वो क्यों सॉल्व हुआ दैट इज बेटर आज अच्छे गाने नहीं आ रहे यार. Where's my good वाली list? LeetCode प्रोफाइल कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है भाई मेरी देख के. आई एम नॉट गिवन एनी कॉन्टेस्ट एंड ऑल LeetCode पे. As practice, take some DP question and explain also. DP question, if it comes, it comes. I'm maintaining a sequence यार, बार बार फिर वो करना पड़ता है. Minimum time difference. Is the resume coming? Okay, never mind. We'll move to the next one, I guess. What should I learn, CPP or Java? I want to start by, you asked Uparvi. Learn, I mean both are good, CPP, Java, both are good for DSA. Java would help you आगे भी interview में, because interview में a lot of companies ask Java specific question, तो अगर DSA उसमें करोगे you'll be better used to the way of writing Java, you know. बस वो फ़र्क है, उसके अलावा दोनों में से कोई भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, दोनों बढ़िया है. आई डू CPP, जावा भी कर सकते हो, CPP इज़ फाइन एज वेल. बट जावा में ये चीज़ है कि इसके अंदर, जावा के अंदर कॉल बाय रेफरेंस नहीं होता, तो वो देखना. नो कॉल एंड कॉल बाय रेफरेंस इन जावा. Yeah, it is strictly pass by value. So I have also done DSA in both. तो C++ का ये ग्राफ होता है सीखने का. I mean until you do pointer it is here and then everything becomes easy. Java का ये होता है. It's easy and then ऐसे. मतलब this is the place where you realize कि oh shit pointers नहीं है तो हमारी memory ज़्यादा यूज़ होगी. But you make a way around it. तो ये Java का है. तो ये CPP का है. तो देख लो जैसा भी तुम्हारा मन करे. I am doing in CPP. Nice. Hi bro. Hari Bhai Patel. Okay, let's start this one. Let's go. 10 minutes for this. How to learn concepts such as rate limiter and load balancer through any project? If you could give some advice on this. First learn the concept. Rate limiter or load balancer are not ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट जो तुम बना के सीखो. It's more about a conceptual knowledge जो बहुत सारे systems में लगती है. You don't have to like really build a rate limiter to learn a rate limiter. There are better projects that you can build to learn. तो रेट लिमिटर पे वो मत करो. मतलब बनाना है बनाओ यार, सब बनाओ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. बट रेट लिमिटर इज जस्ट कॉन्सेप्चुअल. एक्चुअल जो रेट लिमिटर बनता है उसमें 10 चीज़ें ध्यान देनी पड़ती है, तो इट्स नॉट एज सिंपल. तो आई सजेस्ट फर्स्ट लर्न थ्योरी फ्रॉम एनी सिस्टम डिज़ाइन बुक या फिर वीडियो रेट लिमिटर की, एंड देन ट्राई टू बिल्ड इट. क्वेश्चन टाइमर स्टार्ट हो चुका है भाई, 1 मिनट. 24-hour clock time points in HHMM format. Return the minimum number of minute difference between two time points in the list. Okay. Split कर लेते हैं ना यार. What's the freaking issue? And time difference चाहिए ना. या फिर why not convert it into minutes and then split it? ठीक है, तो वेक्टर इन मिनट्स विल ब्रिंग इट एंड टाइम पॉइंट्स. सो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इज, इसने ये पूछा है कि मिनिमम डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू टाइम इन दिस लिस्ट. तो कंसेक्यूटिव लगा लेते हैं, साइक्लिक वे में डिफरेंस निकाल लेते हैं. अब डिफरेंस निकालने में दिक्कत क्या है, यहाँ पर आवर्स एंड मिनट है, सो यू वॉन्ट बी एबल टू डायरेक्टली गेट द डिफरेंस. How about we turn every, मतलब the lowest denominator is minutes, right? So how about we turn the hours also in minutes, and then we can find the difference. So minutes and n. So this will be the first pass, auto time points, and over here what you can do is, I would have been better, and I equals to 0, I not. Okay, minutes of I, actually I'll create and convert to minutes. इंटरव्यू में भी ऐसे ही फंक्शंस बनाना, दिस इज बेटर. सो स्ट्रिंग इंट बना देते हैं अभी, आई गेस आर्स इक्वल्स टू स्टोई ऑफ, एक्चुअली हे गिरी भाई, क्या हाल है भाई? स्टोई और int minutes, int, it's gonna be stoi minutes. What we can do is return our int multiplied by 60 plus minutes. Might as well. Thanks for the membership, bhai. How am I doing, bhai? ठीक बैक पेन बस, बाकी सब बढ़िया. And then we can sort it out and let's start begin. I should give interviews, yeah. Here we can start by here, I plus plus I equals to. How did you get back pain? Man, अरे यार, too much sitting, I guess. I have no clue, but I know कि ये this sucks, भाई. DSA में एक वर्ड भी समझ नहीं आता, क्यों? भाई बैठ के समझना पड़ता है अच्छे से, ऐसे नहीं आता. 0 ग्राम डाइट कोक तो नहीं है भाई, मॉन्स्टर है ये वाली तो. डाइट कोक इज गोन भाई, आई डोंट लाइक द टेस्ट एनीमोर, आई हैव ग्रोन आउट ऑफ इट भाई. आजकल एनर्जी ड्रिंक्स पे चल रहा है काम. Minimum distance, right? Int min diff, int max, we can do this, and then int diff we can do absolute of, absolute की ज़रूरत नहीं है वैसे. minutes, since we have already sorted it out, so I plus 1, what we can do is I plus 1 modulus n minus minutes of I. एक्चुअली एब्सोल्यूट की ज़रूरत है क्योंकि लास्ट में लगेंगे इसके, तो एब्सोल्यूट मार देते हैं. ये डिफ है एंड मिनिमम डिफ इक्वल्स टू, एक्चुअली एब्सोल्यूट की ज़रूरत नहीं है, उसको अलग से हैंडल करना पड़ेगा. सो इसको n-1 तक चलाते हैं. एंड देन एक लास्ट वाला हमें देखना है विच इज़ लाइक how many minutes are in a day? 16 to कितने घंटे होते हैं? 24 minutes in a day. Brain not braining, 1400. Yeah. So min diff equals to minimum of min diff and 1404 minus minutes of n-1 minus minutes of 0. That will be round clock or return min diff. I think that will work. क्या दिक्कत है भाई? इंट टू स्ट्रिंग, स्ट्रिंग ही तो है। Sora, please solve my query. Diet Coke over Monster any day bro. सही है यार, थक गया यार पी पी के डाइट कोक। क्या दिक्कत है यार इसमें? स्ट्रिंग आर एच आर करके देखूँ क्या? एच आर का खैर नाम नहीं लेना चाहिए। व्हाट्स द इशू? दो स्ट्रिंग को कंकैटिनेट ही तो कर रहा हूँ, मतलब क्या हो गया? दिमाग नहीं चल रहा क्या मेरा? And it's pretty basic. और ओ यार मिनट इंट करना था। क्या दिक्कत है इसको? कहाँ पर एरर बता रहा है भाई? यहाँ एरर कैसे है भाई? यही दिक्कत है। कौन से इंडेक्स से? 0 1 2 0 से 2। स्टोई इनवैलिड। डीएसए में एक भी वर्ड समझ नहीं आता, क्या करूं भाई? थोड़ा कॉन्सेप्चुअली पढ़ो। डीएसए वर्ड समझ आए क्या सीखूं? पहले हिंदी मीडियम स्टूडेंट हूँ, इंग्लिश लिटिल बिट आता है। हिंदी इंग्लिश का तो फ़र्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए भाई, बट हिंदी चैनल देखो, सीखो भाई। कुछ ब्रेक कर लिया करो यार चीज़। देखो सीखने का भी तरीका होता है। बड़ी कोई भी चीज़ है डीएसए, तुम अगेन मतलब मैं रिडंडेंट चीज़ बोल रहा हूँ, बार बार मैं यही चीज़ बोलता हूँ। डीएसए इज़ अ बिग थिंग, यू ब्रेक इट डाउन, राइट? डीएस डेटा स्ट्रक्चर, देन एल्गोरिदम। फर्स्ट ट्राई टू लर्न डेटा स्ट्रक्चर, देन ट्राई टू देन फोकस ऑन एल्गोरिदम। ऐसे ब्रेक करके जाओ। डेटा स्ट्रक्चर में अब कैसे ब्रेक करोगे? देयर आर डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स, जैसे चैप्टर्स होते हैं ना वैसे ट्रीट करो। एरे समझो। मतलब जब तक यू वॉन्ट हैव ऑल द टूल्स यू कांट सॉल्व अ प्रॉब्लम, राइट? पहले टूल्स लो, विच इज़ डीएस। डीएस में जो डम क्वेश्चंस हो, जैसे कि मतलब क्या होता है, दो एरे को ऐड करना, मतलब वो होते हैं ना सम ऑफ टू एरे, ऐसे क्वेश्चन करो, एक लॉजिक बिल्डिंग आएगी एंड देन मूव फॉरवर्ड। एकदम से तुम छलांग मारोगे एल्गोरिदम पे कि भाई पिजन होल प्रिंसिपल पढ़ेंगे, तो नहीं हो पाएगा भाई। छोटा छोटा Tried fast MCP today. Build a tiny demo where an AI agent checks the weather and decides whether an umbrella should be ordered. Nothing fancy, just wanted to understand MCP end to end. Nice. Fast MCP is good. It is like the industry standard abhi MCP, but do you know, like, to add on to your knowledge, do you know what are local MCPs and what are deployed MCPs, and how does like an MCP translate to, I mean, what problem is this MCP solving? People say it is type C of, you know, AI, or like connecting AI with tools, but actually do you know what that means? Type C क्यों? What is that? थोड़ा उसमें सोचना, but if you know then it's well and good. Simple question है. So might be. What other features can I add भैया? Like tools बना रहे हो तुम MCP से. I mean अभी के टाइम पे तो try with parallel agents if you can. There is this concept of fleet in Copilot and then this agent teams in Claude, which is the current hype, and then there are other addition also. Like if I open Copilot, there are a lot of things added, right? आज ही I was exploring what is new. So if you do just slash and just check here, so there's this fleet, this is which is for parallel sub agents. Then if you go more, you'll see MCP, which is fine, but then there is this research also, right? And then there was one more thing, which is skills is still fine. Sub agents you can create. Then you have theme. Apparently I got to know today कि इसमें theme भी होता है. And usage version ये सब तो ठीक है. There was one other thing which I was intrigued about. There was a streaming mode also. I think इस पे update नहीं हो रखा, but there was a streaming mode also. I checked on my laptop. तब था, I don't know इस पे क्यों नहीं आ रहा. There was a streaming mode and there was one more mode which is not coming up here. पता नहीं उस पे bracket में staff लिखा हुआ था. Maybe I'm still getting पुराना Microsoft की कुछ चीज़ें, तो inside info, but I don't know. I wanted to do बढ़िया, मैं भी try किया था the day. Nice. I wanted to do DSA in C++, but I'm currently doing Java full stack, so I decided to do it in Java. Is it okay? It's very much okay, bhai. Do you think easy snippet is legit or bad? Legit in what sense, bhai? आदमी मतलब इंसान है कि नहीं, alien है? पता नहीं भाई. But try to read English newspaper and also try to solve easy problem like star pattern printing. हाँ, that will help as well. Monster catching up, yes. English book वाली समझ आती है मुझे, DS से English word समझ नहीं आता है. How to speak English fluently, confidently? I'm very introvert. Start speaking in English with your parents, I guess, या फिर I don't know, with your friends. थोड़े मजाक उड़ाएंगे, but try. Like the way to learn anything is by doing it. So. Talk to someone who doesn't know English. Your English would be fluent. बढ़िया भाई. Bro, I am a CSC 2025 graduate currently doing DSA with Java. This is my user ID and learned Spring Boot and did some projects. Did I learn some more, or what I do still no job? Hi, job is a big process. Learning Spring Boot won't get you there, right? Time 0 and time 1 are characters, maybe that's why, right? Now that you have said it, I think I was a fool, but yeah. So when you say it, I retrospect and I think कि हाँ सही बोल रहा हूँ, but तब दिमाग में नहीं आ रहा था. Total how many problems done in LeetCode? I have no idea. I don't care. जब vibe आ जाती है तब बढ़िया लगता है. Just want to be in touch. यार कुछ बढ़िया गाने दो यार. This is nice. I want to do DSA in C++, but I'm currently doing Java full stack, so I decided to do that. I have answered. That loops. हाँ यार, I'll study this today. Loop engineer. This is something new issue that came up. अरे नहीं यार, I don't know what this is. I want to know. So I have added it आज के to do में. Let me see. Let me add it. Group engineer. I want to see कि कैसे क्या है. यार DS से प्रॉब्लम कर लेता हूँ, बट सेम प्रॉब्लम को एक वीक बाद देखता हूँ तो कुछ याद नहीं आता. कोई बात नहीं भाई, दैट इज़ अ फेज ऑफ लाइफ. आ जाएगा. रिकर्सिव स्लोप वो तो कब से चल रहा है भाई, अब क्या नया है. Loop engineering is replacing yourself as a person who prompts the agent to design the system that does it instead. Loop here can be thought of as a recursive goal where you define a purpose. I think this is all a bullshit of Claude and all trying to consume more token for us. See, loop engineering means less control over the agent, and when that happens, the agent can burn token. कभी ना लोकली चला के देखना. आज आई वेस्टेड अ लॉट ऑफ माई टाइम. आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड समथिंग आज, तो आई थॉट वाई नॉट बिल्ड इट विद लोकल एजेंट्स. आई इंस्टॉल्ड LM Studio, Olama I had already, and I tried using that with Claude. Claude में कॉन्टेक्स्ट मतलब पहले प्रॉम्प्ट में ही ऑलरेडी तुम उसको 10,000 कुछ टोकन दे रहे होते हो. लाइक इट्स उसका जो नेटिव प्रॉम्प्ट है ना वही इतना बड़ा है कि भाई मतलब भयंकर टोकन्स. Then it got me to think कि भाई, I mean I installed a, like there is this Adler करके, Adler AICLI, I think Adler ही है. Yeah, I installed this because this was a bit light. तो local LLM में I thought it will work. This also मतलब इसकी performance उतनी अच्छी नहीं थी, but I think we can optimize it. This is more like granular or something. But I think this is just to add or consume more tokens, I guess. I don't know like how to do it. I'll read and then pass on comments. But that's my initial thought. For like last 2 years, the way you got something out of a coding agent was that you wrote a good prompt and shared enough context. You type a thing. I haven't typed a prompt to AI in like days. I voice command to it. Why can't you just voice command? Okay. You read what came back, you type the next thing. The agent is a tool. You are holding it the entire time. Won't turn the work checks it right now. The 5 pieces in the notes: automation that go off on a schedule and do discovery and triage by themselves, work trees. So 2 agents working in parallel, we don't step on each other's skills. This same thing is being built by this constructible नहीं यार क्या था, conductor. Try out this conductor.build. Run parallel coding agents on your Mac. This is a YC startup. So they have built something like this. So work trees for parallel agents. I mean, it basically means कि तुम 2 stories you can work on together for all the engineering folks who know what a story or a ADO task is. So basically यहाँ पर you create a new workspace which is like a different Git work tree. You can give in your prompts, it will make some changes, and then you can go on to the legacy mode or something, and you can check. If you haven't seen this video, I'll suggest you guys IC के channel पे. I don't know if you are there or not. Interesting for geeks to see. I think it is this one. Conductor CEO walk us through his AI coding setup. Like, if you guys, isn't this pretty old? Probably. I mean, I don't know. I just told you guys. what I know. Let me read some. वे मैं डी से स्टार्ट करना है बट रिसोर्स नहीं मालूम कहाँ से पढूं, एक फ्री रिसोर्स बता दो। डीएस के लिए यार आई विल चेक एंड टेल यू, मतलब मेरे को अभी आइडिया नहीं है। चैट जीपीटी वगैरह से ट्राई करो पूछने का, इट विल टेल यू राइट। आस्क इट की यूट्यूब ट्यूटोरियल वगैरह कुछ दे दें। हाउ डू यू टू सोल्व साइबर, व्हाट्स योर ओपिनियन ऑन द शीट? शीट इज गुड फॉर बिगिनर्स, लाइक दैट्स नॉट द एंड, but which OS is mostly used in Microsoft? Whatever the guys want, but Mac is not very much used. Windows is used. How to solve it? How the approach should be? Solve it? What? Approach should be like pick up a day and start solving. I think it is very much in like a array will be one day, then the another day it would be hashing or something. So it is already in that concept wise, I guess. You can just go. Reviews will do after I read the chat. Where can I drop my resume for review? It's the Resume Rose channel, but when I tell them, the first one who drops it, I'll review that. Forward deployed engineer क्या है from your perspective? मतलब I don't have an opinion on forward deployed engineer, but from what I know, one of my friend is doing this. They like go and they try to set up that AI ka infrastructure in the like system of clients. So it is sort of like PMs, but they're working as a consultant. So he did an MBA from outside, and then he went to Salesforce, and Salesforce like took him as a forward deployed engineer. Now what he does is like he consults the clients on how he can have AI running on their system. Now I don't know what sort of engineering is that, but that's his role. So I don't have a perspective on it because I don't know enough about it. But yeah, if you want, you can, I don't know, someone would have to come out and make a video on it. ओपन क्लो ऑनर की ट्वीट की वजह से लूप इंजीनियरिंग देख रहे हैं आप भी? नहीं, somebody in the chat said it, and a senior of mine pinged it today, so that's why. Well, I knew it for a while ago, and there is this Theo guy, he also tweeted about it. I mean, a lot of things worked in parallel. I'm a little busy, so a thing has to come up multiple times before it gets my attention. So I mean, it got my attention. तो आज loop engineering पढ़ लूँगा मैं after the stream. I'm going into tutorial hell. नहीं भाई, practice hell में जाओ. Tutorial hell is the worst. Practice करो, उसके hell में जाते हो, then still it will help. Okay, system prompt plays 30-40% impact because whatever agentic system you have, model should understand it. So system prompt is the only way to. So आराम से token. Have you ever countered topics like bitmask, DP, segment tree in interviews? Segment tree once, college interviews. Tree DP are very frequent भाई. Tree DP I have no idea. नहीं, tree DP नहीं शायद. Segment tree I have. Segment tree is fairly easy if you learn the core concept और एक बार समझ आ जाए तो. FD is more of a consultancy role. That's what I got to know, but again like एक बंदा वो काम कर रहा है तो I can't base the whole like image on basis of that. Let's come to DSA questions. Let's start with one resume review. So whoever pastes the resume in the Resume Rose channel, I'll review that. It has to be in Resume Rose, by the way. Okay, I got a resume, I think. Osama bin Laden. Let me just take. So this is the resume. Okay, be in electronics, ठीक है. Relevant topic. Taking too much of the space, not required. Either add a summary. Relevant topic. These are not a relevant topic. You can just add a summary either or remove it. Technical skills, Java. When are you graduating? Probably add the date of graduation as well. Since you did it in 2024, I'll assume that you are graduating in 2028. Technologies, React. You can obviously increase this technical skills by. Please work on this. Experience, it's good. You already have an experience. AI prompt optimizer, there are already tools out there to do this, but it's good that you have built something on that. ठीक है, it's a unique project. आज के AI के time पे it's very bad if you add like a notes and MERN की app. It's good that you have added AI. So you already have a MERN, but on top of that you have added AI something. So it's good. Experience you have, but like you need a lot of maturity in this. Indentation and all is right, but then you can obviously increase the experience and technical skills. I think you already have time, so work on this. अभी के लिए it's good. Format वगैरह भी सही है. Mine first resume was very bad, so and it's good. Overall verdict good, but you can make it better. Bro, don't you think you should only do LeetCode, rated or above them only problem? I can start. I don't mind. Just be careful, By the way, LeetCode पे ratings होती है क्वेश्चन की. I didn't know that. कहाँ पर होती है? I didn't know that. Oh. Okay, we'll start. Why only easy and medium coming? Maybe they want to save me by. You are given a 2D array event sequence. इंटर्न कैसे मिलेगा? आई एम 4th year स्टूडेंट. I cold email and all. I can cold email and all to people. That will get you. I think now monster is hitting and it's already 11. सर कैसे हो? बढ़िया हूँ भाई. थोड़ी नींद आने लग गई अब. But anyways, अच्छा गाना चाहिए, थोड़ा तेज एसी चाहिए, सब बढ़िया हो जाएगा. Got to go? नहीं. You are given a 2D array events which represents a sequence of events. अभी थोड़ी देर में देखता हूँ chat, तुम डाल देना message, I'll read. ज़्यादा chat पढ़ता हूँ तो I think maybe I get a little sleepy. Which represents a sequence of events where a child pushes a series of buttons on the keyboard. Each event the button is indexed as time. Array sorted in increasing order of time. You and I. The time taken to press a button is the difference between the time between consecutive button press. Is it fine to drink energy drink daily? Probably not. I should stop. Why not in India? Energy drink should be good, like the same, like monster drink should be same in India as it is outside, no? Yeah, I do need to quit. Resume roast. Yup. Send. After Dawn 69, whoever sends, I'll review. Meanwhile, guys, do subscribe. In the Resume Roast channel, whoever subscribes the next, I'll review. Now the Pringles into the same. That's chips, right? I don't think Monster would be different. Chips I understand because they have to match the flavors. I mean, Pringles, I think in US, what is the average price there? Let me check. क्या नाम है इसका? सौरभ भाई, I think you are sending in the wrong channel. Please send in this Resume Roast. So if you don't send there, I won't be able to review. Okay. Resume Roast. I don't see your resume there. Data science में DSA important है for interview. No, don't have clue. Data science का interview. How many LC coins do you have? LC coins. 1,000 something. So it is $1 here, right? There it is 1.5. They have to match the price. That's why. They have to match the price, I think. .68. Damn it. You might be cooking something. You might be right, bro. भाई दोबारा भेजना था. डॉन भाई का आ गया दोबारा यार. डॉन भाई का करना पड़ेगा. फेयर इज फेयर भाई. Can't do anything. I said whoever sends after Don Bhai, but Don Bhai sent again. So, what's your diet? Pretty standard one only, bhai. Chapati, sabzi. Yeah, you're too good in solving question. That was easy question, bhai. How to reach this level? Practice भाई. 4 साल करो कॉलेज में बढ़िया. Food laws are weak somewhat here. Yeah, that I had an idea about, but I didn't think they'll be this weak in like energy drinks. So probably I should stop this as well. Yeah, it's 125 here, so $1.5, and in US it is 2.5. Probably difference of 80 rupees. I know the Monster Pink is the same price here as it is outside, and white is less. Probably. We still have that Pikachu in the car. It fell off. I need to buy a new one. Should I go back and engineer Java? Why not? Go bhai. Languages C, C++, Python, Java, good languages. Frameworks, not a framework, Node.js. You can just write server technologies or something here, but anyways, it's fine. AI is also fine, database is also fine, DevOps is also fine. Experience, you have been full stack integers, sorry, not integers, intern by Decode Labs, which is good. 3 plus features, React 5 plus critical UI. This is weak. open source contributor, girl script, summer of code. Is this still a thing? At my time it was, now I didn't know. Contributed 3, open 10 plus issue, peer. Okay, this is better than this, I'd say, if you have done good contributions, because here you are not listing the contributions, which is like you can tell a little bit about contributions, right? What you did in that contributions, just add it here. Projects, neural flicks, build a 4 algorithm hybrid recommendation engine. Okay. See, the way you have written your resume, it's good. You can add more experiences here. Also, you are just 1 year into the engineering, so it's a good resume if you have an experience and you've contributed open source as well. So yeah, overall it's a good one. It's not GSOC bhai, it's GS SOC something, SOC. Girl script, summer of code. It's 2 pages. He just sent me a screenshot. Like even on channel he just sent me a screenshot. I didn't know that it was 2 page. If it is 2 page, bhai, make it less. Profile देख के क्या होएगा भाई? Profile standard ही है मेरी ले. This is my profile. Just that. लाडले कहाँ गया है यार हमारा भाई? उस भाई को बस एक चीज बोलनी आती थी, लाडले. I need to buy premium. Count the number of sub-arrays. भाई वो एक ही चीज बोलता था बस, लाडले. You are given an array nums consisting of positive integers. We call a subarray of an array complete if the following condition is satisfied. The number of distinct elements in the subarray is equal to the number of distinct elements in the whole array. Return the number of complete subarrays. So the distinct element in the subarray is equals to गाना change करो पहले, क्या बज रहा है? He was a synonym for rage bait. क्या है, एक मिनट पढ़ नहीं रहा हूँ. नंबर ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट एलिमेंट. अरे यार the number of distinct elements in the subarray is equal to the number of distinct array in the soul. I'll pee and come. You guys listen to this song. This is a nice song. I'll just come.
Not sure that I give a fuck, but I do know I can't get one tonight. I'm back on my bullshit. Who phones this? I'm back doing what I wanna do now. I'm back running around the crew now. Ain't saying that I miss you, babe. I'm just saying I'm glad you made it. I told you that shit you babe. You love that, you love that. I'm saying that I miss you, babe. I'm just saying I'm glad you made it. We don't need to complicate it. We love that, we love that, we love that. The strong ass, perfect neck. I draw you a little bone back, ooh, like that. Yeah, I let her make a splash, yeah. She all that, she all that. She called, but I can't call back. Got a good bad bitch with my share tonight. Share tonight. I ain't saying that I miss you, babe. I'm just saying I'm glad you made it. I told you that shit you babe. You love that.
For ON sliding window. Last question where I moved past. Sliding window. Can't get it more than that, right? Single pass में भी हो जाएगा I think. Resume okay, yeah. हाँ ON में हो जाना चाहिए वो. I don't need ON square, right? Constraint देख के कर दिया बस. This is your resume, bhai. So here, भाई थोड़ा incomplete है. थोड़ा क्या बिल्कुल incomplete है. You just have projects and 2 पेज obviously नहीं. 25 में ग्रेजुएट हो गए भाई. इंटर्नशिप भी नहीं है आपके पास. स्टैक भी बहुत कम है यार. लैंग्वेज फर्स्ट आपने स्प्रिंग बूट नोड.js रेस्ट APIs 2 डेटाबेस हैं एंड मैसेजिंग क्यू एंड ऑल. सो भाई यू कैन डेफिनेटली इम्प्रूव ऑन द टेक्नोलॉजीज. थोड़ी और एक्सप्लोर करो चीज़ें भाई. डालो इसमें. लर्न मोर. At this point, if you need job, you will have to become jack of all the trades and learn the trades nice as well. Projects may spring, but like you can totally highlight stuff, impact focused statements. Like this is not at all good. You can maybe add a little what the wrong song. This is nice. Moving towards the night. Okay. Your design, I mean ठीक है. You might have done a lot of things in the project, but nah. A little impact focus ki okay, for what did you optimize this project, या फिर what is this targeting spring payment wallet. No भाई, Airbnb clone, Uber clone, Quora clone नहीं भाई. Learning management system LMS भाई बहुत ज़्यादा काम लगेगा यार. रेज्यूमे थोड़ा मतलब बढ़ाओ यार, ऐसे तो नहीं चलेगा यार. इसमें बहुत सारे गैप्स हैं यार. Hi, about MERN developer. What about MERN developer? There is no more MERN developer now. Welcome bhai, but please do work on the stuff. String S that consists of lowercase English letter. A string is called special if it is made up of only a single character. For example, string ABC is not special as यार. एक कंस्ट्रेंट इतने छोटे रख देते हैं, अब क्या करूँ इस क्वेश्चन को. कैन यू रिव्यू माइन सौरभ के ऊपर था. पार्ट टू ओके. So this is your Rubik cube solver. You are graduating in DTU from DTU 2028. Okay. I think this should be over round robin. This is better than round robin. Node.js, Express, MongoDB. You can add more totally. Like right now you are 2 years into the tech. Probably try to add intern. You are from DTU. तेरा हो जाएगा भाई. It won't matter much. बाकी ठीक है, मतलब you have written it nicely. I think you have made it on Google Docs. Try using Overleaf. That would be better. पार्ट 2 करूँ इसका. पार्ट 2 भाई मैं कर लूँगा, बट मेरे को लग नहीं रहा कि अभी मेरी इतनी हालत है. आई थिंक आई टॉक टू यू गाइज फॉर 5 minutes then probably stop the stream. तो आई थिंक ये वाला मेरा करने का मन है नहीं, और पार्ट 2 आई डोंट थिंक. आई एम अ लिटिल स्लीपी अभी. पार्ट 2 देख लेता हूँ. लॉन्गेस्ट नीचे है क्या पार्ट 2 इसका? एक बार पढ़ लेता हूँ. इफ आई गेट द आइडिया देन इट्स गुड, बट आई विल सी. Oh, substring then sub array, right? नहीं, जिसमें substring था. Oh, उसमें constraint बढ़ा दिया हूँ मैं. Yeah. भाई no jobs in MERN. Yeah, there are no jobs in MERN भाई. Welcome to the world. अब भाई MERN तो पूरा AI बना देगा ना यार. Why would there be jobs in MERN? You'll have to do a little better than that. What else? Question. If you guys have questions, let's go. Is it fine that I have no web dev projects? You don't have web dev projects. That is fine, but then you should have other projects. Like right now, the Rubik cube solver is good for a 2 year into tech wali cheese, but for 4 years it won't last. So you have to grow your resume on the basis of your years of experience. 2 साल के लिए ठीक है, मतलब 4 साल पे तेरे को कुछ और बनाना पड़ेगा. Even the spell checker, the last point that you have written is like you have processed over 10,000 words. I mean, obviously उसके अंदर लगेगा वो 10,000 words वाला processing, but you can do better. तो I don't know, but there are no opening for spring burn. Still have more opening. I don't they're not opening for spring burn. Still have more opening. Openings ज़्यादा हैं, but then they never ask just burn. I have to understand that they generally pair it up with something else. It will never be just burn. Can go with Java instead of MERN. कुछ भी यूज़ कर लो भाई, जावा यूज़ कर लो, MERN यूज़ कर लो. तुम थोड़ा ये सोचो कि तुम बना क्या रहे हो. MERN बनाओगे, APIs बनाओगे. जावा यूज़ करोगे, APIs बनाओगे. तुम Python यूज़ कर लो या तुम Rust यूज़ कर लो, कुछ भी यूज़ कर लो. Until unless you are just making APIs, you are just making APIs. The tech does not matter anymore. It's about कि तुम क्या बना रहे हो. APIs बना रहे हो, एक database बना रहे हो, scalable system बना रहे हो. It matters on what you are building now. APIs किसी भी टेक में बना लो. Language is obnoxious अब, मतलब कुछ भी language यूज़ कर लो, it does not matter. It's irrelevant in आज के टर्म. कुछ भी डाल लो. What matters is if you use Redis, let's say somewhere for caching a thing, that means you know a little bit about cache. तुमने अपने प्रोजेक्ट में वो डाला है. So you can now pair one developer who knows about cache. या अगर तुम Kafka एक इवेंट प्रोसेसिंग डालते हो, नाउ यू आर इंजीनियर जिसको MERN पता है विद काफका इवेंट प्रोसेसिंग, तो नाउ यू आर अपस्केलिंग कि एपीआई बना सकता है विद वो. MERN कर ले, जावा कर ले, इट्स द सेम थिंग भाई, until unless you are just making API. तो what I meant to, for Spring Boot some openings are there, but nowadays it's paired with AI and DevOps. Yeah, it's not a single Java developer anymore. It's like a developer who can get shit done. So tech stack agnostic interview is not about system. Yeah, it's all about system up. More questions or let me guess 88. I can beat 88. 88 is not an issue. I can beat 88. Still at Microsoft, no boy. High level design has become a norm in interviews these days. High level design was always there. Now, I mean, for seniors, I've seen that AI specific questions. Let's say there's a round in which they ask you how can you use AI, how can you leverage this. I mean, I don't know. I mean, building agents who can work in autonomous ways. Remember when we used to play that car game? Yeah, we can start again. Just getting used to this schedule of streaming. Like, we used to stream for 2 hours. Now in 1.5 hours, I feel like okay. Actually, I need to fix some timings, and then I think we can get into a lot of things. I can do dev also on weekends because I want to, and I can build stuff. I'm thinking of building something as well though. Which company? Now I'm not telling which company because I just don't want my folks there to know. Either you make me go viral and the people there get to know, or I just don't want them to know which company. Why I'm first student, which part to choose for? So I'm first student, first year I think. You're saying which path choose for web dev? Web dev is itself a path भाई. थोड़ा क्वेश्चन सही से बताओ यार. It's on Discord last resume. भाई कल करते हैं ना यार. Last तो अर्धम ही रहता है भाई. Bigger than Microsoft in salary, obviously भाई. Why would I go in less salary? On campus intern season starting in 15 days. Any tips? कौन से चैनल पे भेजा है भाई? डिस्कॉर्ड पे, बट कौन से चैनल पे? नाइस भाई. इंटर्न सीजन अच्छे से करो भाई. अप्लाई करो. लास्ट क्या लास्ट भाई? चैनल बताना यार. कौन से चैनल पे भेजा है? या अपना हैंडल बता डिस्कॉर्ड का. रेज्यूमे हेल्प. ये वाला है. How you started LeetCode? Like how was the flow? I started doing this pattern questions and then graduated to Code Chef and Code Forces. I didn't start LeetCode until like when I got the job, then I got to know about LeetCode कि वो भी करते हैं. तो उससे पहले I didn't know. समरी अच्छी है भाई. प्रोजेक्ट्स वगैरह भी सही है. तुमने लगाए हाईलाइट वगैरह भी अच्छे किए हैं. फॉर्मेट सही है केशव भाई. अगर आई फॉरगॉट कि तेरा रेज्यूमे कैसे था, बट ये बेटर है फॉर्मेट, तो ले लेना सिंस तुम लोग DTU में ही हो. प्रोजेक्ट्स वगैरह सही हैं. कहाँ गया तुम? कहाँ कब तक हो? 2017 के हिसाब से यार इंटर्नशिप वगैरह डाल दो. बाकी इट्स गुड. वो डाल देना. मतलब इंटर्नशिप ट्राई टू गेट सम. बाकी इट्स फाइन. DTU हो यार, ऑन कैंपस आएगी. यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट. कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं भाई. अच्छा लिखा है. समरी भी अच्छी लिखी है और प्रोजेक्ट्स वगैरह भी सही है. फॉर्मेट भी सही है. लिंक्स भी डाली हैं. ऑल गुड. और DTU से हो तो रेज्यूमे डज नॉट मैटर फॉर DTU. हाँ 2027 हो. रेज्यूमे डज नॉट मैटर. घर पे आएंगे. हैव यू यूज्ड कंटेनर एप्पल? नहीं यार. आई कीप प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटिंग. टाइम नहीं लगता. विच लैंग्वेज टू चूज टू बिकम वेब डेवलपर? कोई भी चूज़ कर लो यार. मर्न कर लो, जावा कर लो, विच एवर. अक्कड़ बक्कड़ करके कर लो भाई. एट द एंड तुम्हें सारे ही करने पड़ेंगे. इट्स प्लेसमेंट सीजन. आई हैव लो CGPA. भाई वो तो सोचना चाहिए था यार. मीटअप करो तो जिनके साथ करो उनको सब्सक्राइब भी करवाना यार. टेल देम कि चैनल पे मिले एंड मेक श्योर दे ऑल्सो सब्सक्राइब, ताकि वो भी मिले. मेन इशू इज आउटलाइन OA होते हैं तो पीपल चीट एंड रैंडम शॉर्ट लिस्ट. अच्छा ऑनलाइन OA होते हैं तो आई मीन दैट इज़ ट्रू फॉर एवरी कॉलेज भाई. ईदर गेट यूज टू इट. ओ क्या डायलॉग है? डोंट ब्लेम द प्लेयर, ब्लेम द गेम. If the game is like that, play accordingly भाई. What the hell they ask in physics? Yeah, physics and just pay MCQ round. Oh. भाई हैदराबाद में ICH आपका मिला है क्या? क्या तुतुल पुतुल कर रहे हो भाई? चलो guys, it's time. Let's leave. Thanks for joining. See you tomorrow. Good stream. Bye bye. Take care. सो जाओ, और ना सो तो रील चलाओ. नहीं रील मत चलाना. वे आई एम प्रीटी कंफ्यूज. आई हैव अ गुड रेज्यूमे बट पता नहीं व्हाट आई एम डूइंग रॉन्ग. लाइक समझ नहीं आ रहा. इंटर्नशिप सेलेक्ट नहीं हो रही. क्या दिक्कत आ रही है? रिजेक्ट हो रही हो क्या यार? शिट ऑल फॉर्मूला बेस्ड डेंसिटीज. आपसे मिलना है हैदराबाद में. मेरे से मिलना है हैदराबाद में. 10K पे करते हैं भाई. 10K कराओ कॉलेज वालों से, फिर करते हैं. बेस्ट प्रोजेक्ट फॉर नाउ. बेस्ट प्रोजेक्ट कुछ नहीं होता, कुछ भी बना लो यार, जिसमें लर्निंग मिल जाए, जिसमें तुम्हारा रेज्यूमे एक्सपैंड हो जाए. प्रोजेक्ट्स तो बहुत होने चाहिए. गिटअप टूल ही ऐसा है, तुम्हारा इंस्टा की रील से ज़्यादा तुम्हारा गिटअप भरा होना चाहिए. तो मतलब भाई ठीक है यार, करो. बेस्ट प्रोजेक्ट कुछ नहीं है, जहाँ पे भी अपस्किल हो जाए वही बेस्ट है. कैन यू टेल एक बार रेज्यूमे शेयर कर दूँगा. कल स्ट्रीम पे करते हैं भाई. मेरे को टाइम नहीं मिलता, मैं प्रॉमिस नहीं कर सकता. मैं इंस्टाग्राम वगैरह मैसेजेस पढ़ लेता हूँ, बट देन यू गाइज हैव दैट एक्सपेक्टेशन कि जल्दी रिप्लाई करो. जल्दी जल्दी रिप्लाई नहीं आते यार मेरी तरफ से. मैं रात में कभी बैठता हूँ तो इंस्टाग्राम पढ़ता हूँ. तो इंस्टाग्राम का हैंडल यहाँ कहीं होगा ऊपर, तो डाला इसीलिए था कि तुम लोग मैसेज करो. तो लिंक्डइन आई डोंट यूज़, तो आई मीन डोंट फॉलो मी ऑन लिंक्डइन या कुछ भी. इंस्टाग्राम आई डू यूज़, तो उस पर यू कैन पिंग. बट अगेन रिप्लाईज वुड बी इन वेरी रेयर. आई डोंट हैव स्क्रीन टाइम फ़ोन का, तो that type of shit. Don't expect a lot is all I'm saying. But if I see, I do reply for sure. ठीक है, चलो, bye bye, good night.